Hello. Uh, Let me thank you first for the opportunity and considering me for the second round of admissions for this prestigious course. Let me address the first two questions together on why I'm interested in pursuing a course in SEM and my prior work experience in the same. My interest in SEM began when I was introduced to it in a few of the subjects in operations management and industrial engineering. My initial experience in running my own business of a taxi company had interested me in transportation management, which I do agree has remote similarities to SEM. After college, fortunately, I got selected by one of the leading data-driven supply chain management companies, Chainalytics. Here I was selected into one of Chainalytics' signature award-winning practices, the Freight Market Intelligence Consortium, or the FMIC. This involved modeling for benchmarking and predicting the prices of transportation of freight from trucking to ocean and air freight, considering different contributing variables. I've been working in Chainalytics for almost 5 years. I joined as a business analyst. In a year and a half, I got promoted to the position of senior business analyst. During my tenure in Chainalytics, I also had the privilege of working with many of the brightest minds in the industry. I also got the opportunity to set foot into many verticals like demand forecasting, procurement, inventory planning, warehouse design, etc. Even though I could work in many verticals, in this vast industry, I would not consider myself a subject matter expert in many of these. My aim is to gain a better perspective and understanding from the most brilliant people in this industry at MIT, from my professors and my competent peers as well. I'm well focused on what I would like to choose as a career after this program. A year from now, I see myself working as a supply chain management consultant in any of the leading data-driven supply chain consulting firms, or doing in-house consulting for firms with a supply chain department. While working, I aim to gain a better understanding of the vast, multifaceted science. India is home to over 1 billion people, and one of the biggest problems faced here would be the crisis on food reaching the lesser fortunate people. Bad politics, bureaucracy, etc. hinder the food from reaching the needy. Well, is this due to a shortage in produce? Not really. Government data proves that there is actually a surplus of produce. This is only due to bad supply chain management by the government and the failure to identify the supply chain management as a defined science. The procurement and pricing procedures are non-transparent, the transportation is untimely, and warehousing is done unscientifically. In effect, most of the produce goes to waste. With the knowledge I would have gained from the MIT scale program and the subsequent work experience, my goal would be to find a solution to this problem my country has been facing. Even though the solution itself may not be usable, but the methodology for identifying the solution can be used to develop solutions for similar problems in Southeast Asian countries, for relief support to African countries, and also to the South American countries. So I would rather see this as a global issue than one which is just ours. If given the opportunity to get into the MIT scale program, I am confident and that I will not only gain, and I will contribute to the people around as well. Thank you and have a nice day.